Hi, this is Scott with Moto Stuff. I want to give you a quick overview of the Honda Accessory Connector. It's located inside the left fairing on 2017 and 2018 Honda CRF 250L rallies. This is provided by the factory. It's in the factory wiring harness. It's powered by a 10 amp fuse in the fuse box that's a switch circuit. That means it's turned off and on by your ignition switch. We utilize this connector for several of our accessories, including our dual USB adapter, our 12 volt socket, and also our daylight or headlight kit. One of the things we're running into is when customers are attempting to install one of our upgrades, they access the connector inside the fairing and it looks like our products are not going to plug into it. And the reason for that is the connector comes with a waterproof cap on it that has to be removed prior to installation. So we're going to give you a little bit of info on that and how that's easily removed. For those of you that might not be aware of it, the 2017 and 2018 Honda CRF 250L rallies have an accessory electrical connector located just inside the left front fairing. If you reach back in here, you'll see there's two metal clips that you can fold away from the wiring harness. Then you'll be able to pull up this connector, and the connector is taped to this factory wiring harness, and you just remove the electrical tape. And you'll find the connector in there. It does have a protective waterproof cap on it that needs to be removed before you can attach any accessories. And to do that, you just press this little tab right here and the connector will pop right off. And then your accessories will plug right in there.